सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः इन्द्रवज्रा इत्यस्य लक्षणम् उदाहरणं च दृष्टम्। तस्मात् प्रागपि भूतसंख्या रस्व गुरु इत्यादिकं सर्वं ज्ञातं। गण इत्यादिकम् अकाराय भाणसलग इति सूत्रं ज्ञातं। यरतन भज सम इति अपरं सूत्रं तस्य आसीत्। तस्य उपयोगः कीदृशः भवति तस्य ज्ञानं सञ्जातम्। अधुना तस्य एकम् उदाहरणं प्रदत्तम् आसीत् अथवा एकं वाक्यं प्रदत्तम् आसीत्, तस्य अभ्यासः कृतः वा? Can you share into the WhatsApp group so I can show?
Yes, I can. 1 second, sir. Let me take a screenshot. So it should be coming now, sir.
I'm saying till that I will go through Lakshanam once. Okay, you have. Okay. Raviku Raswa 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 Laguru Raswa Raswa Raswa. The thrice Raswa comes, then that group will be known as.
Oh, I haven't memorized it yet, but I have this.
Nagana.
Okay.
Nagana.
No, okay.
Then Kali Da. Guru Guru. It is
Ragana.
Ragana. Rajabha. Ragana. Rajabha. Guru Lagu. Then Saha Samskru. Sorry. Guru Guru Lagu. Which group is this?
Tagana.
Tagana. Raja. Yamata Rajabhana Salga. If you see that sutra, Ta will be not Dirga. Guru, Ta, Ra, also Guru. Laghu. So, Tagana. Then again, Ta, Vishwa. Here some mistake you made.
Which one, sir? Shwa?
So
I have it in red because I wasn't sure. So whatever I'm not sure, I've put it in red there.
Next would be considered as Guru Akshara. Why? Because Shwa is Samyukta Akshara. If there is Samyukta Rasva Swara, that Rasva will count as Guru only. So, Laghu, Laghu.
Shwa is Laghu, right?
Shwa is obviously Va is Laghu, but there is a Samyoga. So, V will be counted as short.
Got it. Got it.
So, Laghu, Guru, Laghu.
Laghu, Guru, Laghu is Yagana. No, sorry. Laghu, Guru, Laghu is Jagana.
Yamata Raja Bhana. Jabhana. Ja is short. Bha is group. Na is short. Jabhana. Yamata Raja Bhana. Jabhana. Laghu. Nice. Next, Vidya. Here again.
V has to be Dirghana.
Guru. Not Dirgha.
Guru. Sorry, sir. Correct. I have a question regarding that as well, but let's finish this first. That's a mistake. Okay.
Sarva Guru.
Sarva Guru is Magana.
Magana. And Tham is obviously it is Guru. Okay, that is done.
So the question I have in Tham is because it has in it, is that the reason why it is Guru?
Ma is there.
Got it.
Swasti. Swa is short. Oh, sorry. Swasti. Guru, Laghu. Correct. Guru, Laghu. Why this is Guru? Because there is a Sanyoga in front of this.
So, Pra will be Laghu, right?
Pra will be Laghu. Then the Ja, Bhya, Pa. Ja is Guru. Daha will be Guru. And Pa will be short. Ri is short. Pa is Guru. La is Laghu. Ya is Guru. And Tam is Guru. So, then you have to understand. Guru, Laghu.
I will memorize it right now. I'm looking. Guru, Laghu is Tagana.
Tagana. Guru, Laghu, Tagana.
And Laghu, Guru, Laghu. Laghu, Guru, Jagana. Need the fan, So Jagana, right?
So Indra Vajra Lakshana, if you remember, what was the Indra Vajra? Sat Indra Vajra Yadi Tau
Jagaugaha. So two gurus at the end. Yantam.
So Swastik Prajabhyah Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisha. Like that. Now this one. Na. Laghu Guru. This one is
Sagana.
Salaga. Isn't it? Salaga.
Sir.
Ma-ri. Sarva Laghu.
Nagana.
Guru. Nice. Okay. Now we'll go back to our Indra Vajra. And where is that slide?
So can I ask a quick question, sir?
Yes, please.
So in this, the homework part where in one of them we had 3 syllables together. And partial na tam, right? So the same rule applies. All partial sounds will attach to the all the, like when we read, we always count partial sounds together with the full sound. So the same rule applies. Like I've put partial na tam together as one, so that stays together. Is that right?
Palayan, layan. That would be counted one. Let me show you again once.
So that is where I was not. So yan is one and tam is one. Is that what you're saying?
So here, actually, while writing, what you have to write is, if you put this na here, it will make more sense. Yan. In this case. Or this is also better. Just for understanding, you can write yan, tam. Yan na along with yan, half na.
Okay. So going forward, that's how we split yan and then tam or whatever the other words are.
Okay. Otherwise, it is fine. Even Vishwa, while writing Vishwa Vidyapit, we will write Vish here, so it will sound the Guru. Okay. Otherwise, also it is.
Okay. That I got. So we cannot write Vishna, then V is Guru, which is a mistake. I've made a mistake. But if V is Guru, we will be Guru only when we write Shva together. Because if we say Vish and Va, then V does not.
Correct. Because of this Sanyukta Akshara, it counted as Guru. So to understand or to show that there was a sh and v, we can split it. We can write sh along with v if we want. Otherwise, it is all clear. You know, there is a shwa, there is a sayuktakshara. It becomes very clear.
Okay.
So just for understanding, you can if you want.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Now, even shloka, you were supposed to write. Okay. Next time, please do the homework if you time permit. Everyone.
I'm so sorry. I forgot the shloka part. I had the time, but I just skipped my mind.
Lokabhiramam is familiar. Next time we had already practiced in class, so let me go to the next chandas, next vrittas. Before that, you have to memorize Indra Vajra. What was the lakshanam of Indra Vajra? Syadindra Vajra yaditau jagau Indra Vajra yaditau jagaugaha. If this tune is not familiar, then Lokabhiramam Ranarangadiram. What tune you use for this shloka? Lokabhiramam Ranarangadiram. That might be familiar. So Sadindra Vajra yaditau jagaugaha. Sadindra Vajra yaditau jagaugaha. Syadindra Vajra Yaditau Jagaugaha. This is how you can memorize the Lakshanam of Indra Vajra. Now in Indra Vajra, remember, there were two Tagana, Tagana, one Jagana, and last two Guru letters. Remember. Now Upendra Vajra, there will be some change, a minor change. It is also called Upendra Vajra. Indra Vajra only, but Upendra Vajra, isn't it? So we will focus on that Lakshanam also. Upendra Vajra Jatajastato Gau. Upendra Vajra Jatajastato Gau. Very clear Lakshanam. Upendra Vajra. There would be Jatajaha. Jagana, Tagana, Jagana, Jatajaha. Okay. And Tataha, Gau. Gau means two Guru letters. One Jagana, one Tagana, again Jagana, and then two Guru letters. Jagana, Tagana, Jagana, Guru, Guru. Okay. Here I will put the Jagana to make understand. What is Jagana? Jabhana, Rajabhana Sadaga, that Lakshana if you remember. So whenever they ask Jagana, we can start with Ja letter, Jabhana from that sutra. If they ask the group, then we have to identify the letter from that sutra, Yamata Rajabhana Sadaga, and begin with Ta, Yamata, Ta, Raja. Ta, Raja means what? Guru. That is called Tagana. If you see here, see Guru Guru Laghu. Ta Ra Ja. Again Jagana. Jagana would be Jabhana. Jabhana means Laghu Guru Laghu. Jagana. Guru, sorry, Laghu Guru Laghu. Jabhana. Ja is Laghu, Bha is Guru, and Jabhana. Na is Laghu. Based on that sutra, you can identify. Okay. Upendra Vajra Jatajastato Gau. That is the Lakshana. Now, it will appear like this. If you do the Udharane Samanvayaha, so you have to make one group of three letters. Upendra, Vajraja, Jasta, To. This is how you will do the groups. And there will be 11 akshara syllables. So 3, 3, 3, 9, and 10th, 11th syllable. Okay. Now let's see Upendra. Who is Laghu Guru?
Guru. No, Laghu, Laghu.
Laghu. Pe, Indra. So Pe is
Guru.
Guru and Indra
Laghu.
Laghu. So Laghu, Guru, Laghu is called Jagana. One Jagana is finished. Okay. Then Vajra, Ja, here, Vaj.
So same, Laghu, Guru, Laghu.
Is it?
No, sorry, Va is Guru. I'm sorry. Va is
Guru.
sorry. Guru, Guru, Laghu.
Guru, Guru, Laghu. Guru, Guru, Laghu is called
Tagana.
Tagana. So Ja, Ta is done. Next. Tajasta.
Ta is Laghu, Ja is Guru, Sta is Laghu. So
Guru,
Laghu, Guru, Laghu.
Laghu, Guru, Laghu is called
Jagana.
Jagana. And To, Gau.
To is the Guru and Gau is also Guru.
So two Gurus at the end of this is how the Lakshmana will be done. So Laghu, Laghu is called Jagana. Guru, Guru is Tagana. Again, Laghu, Guru, Laghu, Jagana, and two Gurus here. That is called Upendra Vajra. The little difference is in Indra Vajra, there was the Lakshana Upendra Vajra, sorry, in Shalindra Vajra, Yadi Talu Jagana, there were two Tagana, then Jagana. But here they have changed, here they have added Jagana, Tagana, Jagana, Guru, Guru. There were Tagana, Tagana, Jagana, Guru, Guru, like that. Little change they have made. So let's example of this. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. Now here three letters we can count and make a group and identify whether this is fixed Upendra Vajra or not. So Twa, Me, Va. Can you guess what is Twa?
Twa is Laghu, Me is Guru, Va is Laghu.
So that is called Jagana.
Oh, Jagana. Sorry.
Mata Cha. I think Nandini, you are muted.
Oh, I'm
Cha.
sorry.
Ma is
Guru. Ta is Guru. Cha is Laghu.
So this is C. Guru, Guru, Laghu.
Guru, Guru, Laghu is Tagana.
Next. Pita, Twa.
P is Laghu. Ta is Guru. Twa is Laghu. So Laghu, Guru, Laghu, Jagana.
Jagana again. And Me, Va.
Me is Guru. Va will become. Va is Laghu.
Though it is Laghu, but it will be considered.
Oh, because it's the end of Pada. Sorry.
So that is one way. Other way, there is a Twa.
Right.
Both cases we can apply. There is a Sanyukta Akshara, so we can consider as Guru only. Otherwise, Padanta Go. Vikalpena that will be considered as Guru only. Next. Tvameva Bandhushcha Sakha Tvameva.
So Twa is Laghu, Me is Guru, Va is Laghu. So
Next.
Laghu. Oh, sorry, Va is Laghu, right? So Laghu, Guru, Laghu. That was what? Ja, right? Let me double check. Laghu, Guru, Laghu is Ja.
This one.
Sorry, Bandhushcha. Ba is
Guru.
Guru. Go ahead, Didi. Nandini ji, go ahead.
Laghu. Okay, you finish this quarter, then Nandini you have 1 second.
Bandhushcha. Ba is Laghu, Guru. Ndhu is again Guru. And Shcha is Laghu.
Sha
So
is
Guru. Hmm.
next one. Sa, Tha.
Sakha. Sa is Laghu, Kha is Guru, Twa is Laghu, Me is Guru, Va is Laghu.
Here Padanta Gopiva would be considered as Va will be Guru only. Okay, now Nandini, if you can.
Okay. Tva is Lagu, Me is Guru, and Va is Lagu.
Next,
And there's a Jagana,
Jagana, correct.
right? So
Next, Vidya.
V is Guru, Dya is Guru, and Dra is Lagu.
That is called Tagana.
Like Anta Lagu is Tagana.
Tagana, correct. Vinam Twa.
V is Guru.
How?
Oh, sorry. V is Lagu. Anam, because of the Anuswar, is Guru. And Twa is Lagu.
So Laghu, Guru, Laghu is called
Lagu, Guru, Lagu is Jagana.
Jagana. Correct. And Meva.
Tvameva.
No, Meva.
Me is Guru. Lagu. Me is Lagu.
No, it
And
is
Va is Lagu.
Me, A, I, O, I. These are called Dirgha. And Dirgha
Oh yeah. Guru.
Guru and Va is Guru. Why? Because it is the requirement of Vrittas that it should consist the Guru Akshara in the end of quarter, at the end of quarter. So May is Guru and even Va is Guru. Now next, how it is Guru? Padanta Gopiva. At the end of Pada, Va letter is there, short letter is there, but it is the requirement of Chandas or Vrittas.
Chandas.
Even short letter will be considered as Guru. Next.
Like when we learn Dharmakshetra Samaveta Yutsavah. No. Kim Kurvata Sanjaya.
That I just had explained that I have to see the Anushtup Chandas Lakshanam, whether that is applicable. I just explained that through that example to remember. That was
yes.
Example. This is an appropriate example where you will see.
Yeah.
Tvameva mama deva deva. Tvameva sarvam.
Tvameva Tva is a Lagu. A Guru?
No, Laghu, Guru, Laghu.
No, Laghu, Guru, Laghu. Tva is Laghu, Me is Guru, Va is Laghu.
Sarvam ma.
Guru, Guru, Laghu.
Guru, Laghu. Here it is applicable. See. Next. Ma deva.
Ma Laghu, Guru, Laghu.
And
Guru.
Here it is very clear. Here. So even though short, but it will be considered as Guru. Then there are many similar shlokas like this. Meaning, let me explain the meaning. So this is the praise of Guru, and we always praise, O Guru, Tvameva Mata, you are Mata, Tvameva Pita, you are the father, Tvameva Bandhushcha, you are the brother, Tvameva Sakha, Sakha Tvameva, so you are my friend, Tvameva Vidya, you are knowledge, Dravinam Tvameva, Dravinam means Dhanam, wealth, Dravinam Tvameva. Tvameva Sarvam, Mama Deva Deva, you are my all, everything is nothing but you only. The simple shloka. Okay. Mukunda Murdha Pranipatya Yache
एकान्तमियन्तमर्थम्
अविस्मृतिश्चरणारविन्दे भवे भवे
भवे भवे मेस्तु भवत्प्रसादात्.
The prarthana is done to the Mukunda. O Mukunda, Murdhna Pranipatya Yache. I beg from you by bowing down my Murdha into your lotus feet. Bhavantamekantamiyantamartham. I only want one thing. Avismritihi Tvacharanarvinde. Avismritihi. I shall never forget you. I shall always remember you. This is the Yachana, Prarthana. Bhave bhave mestu bhavat prasadat. Avismritihi bhave bhave. If I take a janma, if I have to take a birth again, in all the janmas, bhave bhave, bhavat prasadat, with your grace and blessing, avismritihi, tvacharanarvinde, avismritihi me astu, regarding your lotus feet. I shall not have any vismriti of your name, your lotus feet, etc. That is only the great boon for me, and I ask only that, nothing else. So this, you can take this screenshot, you can practice it. Lakshana Samanvaya you have to do, like Mukunda, you have to put Mu, Ladhu, Ku would be Guru, and Da would be Ladhu. So Jagana, you have to write this kind of sign. Then under that you have to mention the Gana, like Jagana. Here would be Tagana, here would be Jagana, and Guru Guru. Here we have nothing, no ganas here. So just Guru Guru you can put it. So in this case, this Lakshana Samanvaya is happening or not, you have to check. In second quarter also you have to check. Third, fourth. पूरा श्लोक ऐसा आपको करना है. Another one I will introduce. Now, Upajati is the Vritta, Upajati Vritta. So basically, Indra Vajra and Upendra Vajra, if they mix up, that will be known as Upajati. Upajati is just a name of those meters where vrittas are mixed up. Okay, so it can be mixture of anything, any vrittas, any two different vrittas. So here, basically, when we say Upajati, in this case, Upajati means the Mishranam of Indra Vajra and Upendra Vajra. Okay, Chandadvayasya Mishranam Upajati iti katyate. Lakshanam is given. Anantarodi Ritalakshma Bhajau Adau Yadiya Upajatayastah Uttham Kiranyaswapi Mishritasu Smaranti Jatishvidameva Nama. So basically, if you see the Lakshanam of Indra Vajra and Upendra Vajra, so in some quarter there would be Upendra Vajra or Indra Vajra. In some quarters there would be Indra Vajra. In some quarter there would be Upendra Vajra. For example, first quarter is Upendra Vajra. Second quarter here it is Indra Vajra. Third would be Indra Vajra. And fourth is Upendra Vajra. So it is a Mishranam of these two vrittas. So that is how it is called as Upajati. So basically Mishranam of Upendra Vajra and Indra Vajra is called Upajati Vritta. Okay. Indra Vajra tatha Upendra Vajra anayoho Mishranam is called Upajati. So let's see the example of this. Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayaravinде Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami. Familiar shlok. This is the praise of Bhagwan Shiva. Okay. So aham satatam namami. Aham satatam namami अथवा aham bhavani sahitam namami. To whom I am going down. So basically the bhavam, aham bhavam satatam namami अथवा bhavani sahitam namami. Bhavam means Bhagwan. कः देवः अयम्?
Shiva.
शिवः. कस्मात् ज्ञातम्? केन लक्षणेन ज्ञातम्?
Bhujagendraharam.
भुजगेन्द्रहारम्. भुजग नाम सर्पः. भुजगानाम् इन्द्रः सर्पेन्द्रः. हारम् भुजगः एव हारः. भुजगेन्द्रहारः. भुजगेन्द्र हारः यस्मिन् सः अथवा यस्य कंठे सः. भुजगेन्द्रहारः भगवान् शिवः. तस्य इतोपि अपरं लक्षणं तस्य वर्णः कीदृशः भवति? भगवान् शिवस्य भगवतः शिवस्य वर्णः ब्लैक वा? यदा चित्रपटेषु अथवा मालिकायां दर्श्यते लोकैः शिवः कीदृशः भवति? कृष्णवर्णीयः अथवा नीलवर्णीयः भगवान् शिवः दर्श्यते. Isn't it? Bhagwan Shiva is always like painted in the blue color. But actually his color is not blue. It is Karpura Gauram. He is white like a Karpura. Gauram. Karpuravat Gauram यह वर्तते. कर्पूरवत् गौरः भगवान् शिवः वर्तते. पुनः तम कर्पूर गौरम अहम नमामि. तम करुणावतारम. सः करुणायाः अवतारः एव. करुणायाः अवतारः करुणावतारः. तम करुणावतारम अहम नमामि. संसारस्य सारः संसार सारः. तम संसार सारम भगवन्तं शिवम अहम नमामि. भुजगेन्द्रहारम अहम नमामि. सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे. हृदयारविन्दे. हृदय एव अरविन्दः. हृदयारविन्दः अथवा अरविन्दं कमलम्. अरविन्दं नाम कमलम्. हृदयम् एव अरविन्दं. हृदयारविन्दं. तस्मिन् हृदयारविन्दे वसन्तं वासं कुर्वन्तं शिवं. सदा वासं कुर्वन्तं शिवम् अहम नमामि. भवानी सहितं शिवम् अहम नमामि. That is the explanation of shloka. Let's see the lakshanam. Karpura. Which gana is this? Karpura.
Jagana. Laghu Guru Laghu. Oh, sorry. Laghu Guru Laghu Jagana.
No.
No. Guru. Madhya Guru. So Karpura.
Guru
No.
Guru Laghu.
Guru Laghu.
That is
Tagana.
Tagana. So now this is starting with
Guru Laghu.
should be Indravajra or Upendravajra?
Guru Tagana Indravajra.
So Indravajra. There should be two Taganas, one Jagana and Guru Guru. Isn't it? First, now this quarter should be Indravajra. Karpura Guru Guru Laghu. Gauranka.
Guru Guru Laghu.
Guru Laghu.
Two Taganas. Indravajra Lakshana. And there should be now Jagana.
Laghu Guru Laghu.
Then Indravajra. First quarter is Indravajra. Now the second one, whether this is Indravajra or Upendravajra, by first Gana you will understand. Samsara.
Guru Guru Laghu.
Guru Guru Laghu and Saram Bhu.
Guru, Guru, Lagu.
Lagu.
Identify whether it is Upendra Vajra or Indra Vajra. It's simple.
Tagana, Tagana. So this is Indra Vajra.
Upendra Vajra.
No, it is Indra Vajra.
Tagana, Tagana, no?
Oh, Tagana, Tagana. Yeah, Indra Vajra.
Now here you can identify Sadava.
Lagu, Guru, Lagu.
Now Lagu, Guru, Lagu. Then
This is Jagan.
this why? Because it starts with Jata Chaha Jagana Tagana Jagana. Okay, Sadava Santam Re.
Lagu, Guru, Lagu again.
Guru, Guru.
Oh, sorry, Guru, yeah.
Guru, Guru, Lagu.
If you see the Lakshanam of Upendra Vajra, it would be Jagana, Tagana, Jagana. So now second is Tagana. Dayara, again Lagu, Guru, Lagu. Vinde is Guru, Guru. And one, Bhavambha.
Lagu, Guru, Lagu.
Which means it is also
Jagana. So this will be Upendra.
Jagana.
So, Indra Vajra, Upendra Vajra, Upendra Vajra.
Upendra Vajra.
Form of Indra Vajra and Upendra Vajra, it will be known as Upajati. Then another familiar shloka. Kararavindena padarvindam mukharavinde viniveshayantam vatas patrasya puteshayanam बालम मुकुंदम मनसा स्मरामि. बालम मुकुंदम पूरा का पूरा स्तोत्र अब आप याद कर सकते हो, इसी उपजाति में मिलेगा.
Okay.
You can practice that for Indra Vajra, Upendra Vajra, Indra Vajra, Upendra. Karar starting with Upendra.
Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari.
Starting with this is starting with Indra Vajra, isn't it? When Indra Vajra is there, still it will be considered as Upajati. Okay, Upendra Vajra, Upendra Vajra, Upendra Vajra, and last Indra Vajra. Why? Because Tagana Tagana Jagana. Tagana means Guru Guru Laghu, Guru Guru Laghu. Jagana Sagana, sorry, Nasasma. It is a Laghu Guru Laghu and Guru Guru. Okay, done. Another example. Ekatapatram Jagata Prabhutvam Vayam Navam Vayakantамidam Vapushcha Alpasya Hetor Bahuhatum Icchan Vichara Mudha Pratibhasi Metvam. This is the story from Raghuvamsha. Okay, I will not be able to finish within 1 minute. I think I have given very few examples to practice. You can practice that. Story I will explain in next shlok, in next. This is also nice story. Ananta samsara samudratara naukayitabhyam vairagya samprajnabhyam namo namah Shri Guru Padukabhyam namo namah Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Okay, this is the again